Struggling with exact use of your brushes? Hi, today I've got something exciting to share with you. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the CPD newly launched 8-piece brush sets are here to upgrade your makeup game. Watch to the end to discover the qualities and uses of each of these brushes. First, we have the prep brush. This is a flat brush that is perfect for applying primers and skincare products evenly. It helps you get your canvas perfectly ready for makeup. It can also be used to apply foundation. Foundation brush. This densely packed flat top brush is your go-to for flawless foundation application. You can see how it buffs and blends effortlessly, leaving you with an airbrush finish. The CPD concealer brush. This concealer brush covers your imperfections like a pro. With its precise pointed tip, it helps focus on the areas you want to blend. Powder brush. This is a fluffy dome brush that is perfect for setting your makeup with loose or pressed powder. It evenly distributes the products. Contour brush sculpts your features with precision using this angled brush. It is perfectly designed to define your cheekbones and jawline effortlessly. Setting powder brush. Lock your makeup in place with this fluffy brush. It evenly distributes setting powder and ensures a smooth and crease-free finish. Blush time. Achieve a natural flush with this soft rounded brush. It blends your blush seamlessly onto your cheekbones. Now let's glow with this highlighter brush. It's a tapered shaped brush that promotes a precise application of your favorite highlighter. With CPD brushes, you no longer have to worry about your skin work being busy. Don't forget to like, share, save, and follow for more. Bye.